In the middle of the day, an ambulance got a call from a school. One of the students had severe abdominal pain. When the doctor lubricated his finger with Vaseline and started an emergency rectal exam, his finger hit something solid. It turned out that a few days earlier, the ninth grader had taken a chicken egg and inserted it into the very place where it definitely didn't belong. When the doctors asked why on earth he'd done that, he calmly replied that he'd been playing with an egg and then somehow, poof, it just disappeared. The doctors silently removed the egg, gave him a shot against salmonella, and even took an X-ray as a souvenir. And the funniest part, the very next day, the entire school found out about it.